Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we are diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of June, 2025, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 2.95. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 73% since we first identified BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate just 24 days ago. This translates to an average return of 3.04% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper segment of a broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This typically presents an advantageous selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower segment of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $7.91 would initially signal a stronger rate of ascent. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 96.10% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 26.49% to 110.45%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 54.30%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 31.79% to positive 138.07% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this suggests a future price that could fall between $5.03 and $17.55. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings highlights significant movements in the stock price on Wednesday, with fluctuations of 15.95% between the high and low. On the last trading day, the stock price of BigBear.ai Holdings decreased by 2.90%, moving from $7.59 to $7.37. During this trading period, the stock experienced variations of 15.95%, ranging from a low of $6.96 to a high of $8.07. Notably, the price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 40.92% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume declined on the last day, alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, suggesting that volume should align with stock movements. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 31 million shares, bringing the total to 165 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.22 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $10.35, while the lowest price hit $1.17. Currently, the stock price stands at 28.79% or $2.98 below the 52-week high and 54.28% or $8.75 beneath the all-time high recorded on April 6, 2022, when the price reached $16.12. BigBear.ai, trading under the symbol BBAI, has experienced remarkable stock performance, surging 101% in just 1 month, following the acquisition of significant defense AI contracts. This momentum has been fueled by a growing optimism towards AI stocks in general, with BBAI experiencing a 63.2% increase last month, outpacing broader market indices like the S&P 500 and NASDAQ Composite. Despite escalating earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization losses, the company is positioned for substantial growth, particularly in the national security sector, where demand for AI solutions is booming. This trend not only enhances BBAI's short-term stock performance, but also bolsters investor confidence in the company's long-term viability. However, market volatility remains a concern, especially in light of recent pressures from geopolitical trade tensions, As investors evaluate potential risks alongside immense growth potential, sentiment could shift, impacting BBAI's stock price. While BBAI has shown resilience with nearly 70% gains year-to-date, its performance will hinge on maintaining robust contract acquisition and managing perception in a competitive landscape filled with companies like SoundHound AI, which has reported higher revenue growth. In summary, BBAI's recent achievements may support a bullish outlook in the near term, but ongoing scrutiny regarding valuation and market risks will play a crucial role in shaping its stock trajectory over the longer term. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, H.C. Wainwright once again gave BBAI a buy rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is higher than the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $7.35 and $4.78. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, the 7th of July, 2025, and since then, the stock has fallen by 5.27%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 163 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 52 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 50 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 9 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $6.79 and $5.84. There is a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level, as a breach could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, BigBear.ai Holdings sees support just below today's level at $6.79. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $5.84 and $5.80. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.11 between its high and low, which represents a change of 15.95%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 14.42%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's first cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may point to inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates predict a loss of 7 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $7.56. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings faces its first support level at $6.79. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 30th of June, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond executed an insider sale of 6,524 shares of common stock. On the 30th of June, 2025, Blankenship Carolyn conducted an insider sale of 5,945 shares of common stock. On the 30th of June, 2025, McAleen and Kevin carried out an insider sale of 3,113 shares of common stock. On the 6th of June, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond completed an insider purchase of 39,788 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings, LLC made an insider purchase of 65,822 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 94.5. In total, insiders purchased 2,795,254 shares and sold 135,474,287 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $6.98, reflecting a decrease of 5.28%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, which contributes to a significant level of risk. The relative strength index, calculated over a period of 14 days, is at 81, further heightening the risk factor. Additionally, there is a sell signal emerging from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for BigBear.ai Holdings stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of July, we expect BigBear.ai Holdings to open higher by approximately 10 cents and commence trading at $7.47. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.